All right, hey guys, this is Gerald with multiple streams of income. And 80% of business online is mental and 20% is technical. And that's where I come in. I bridge that gap between the mental side of having a business online and the technical side on how to put it all together, and to be able to build your website and build your home online. Because let me tell you, you do not want to depend upon Amazon or Facebook or another company or a third party company to make your money online. Because when they change, guess what? That means you have to change or your business is dried up and you're done. And that's happened to me a couple different times. I used to be in the Amazon business. I sold products on Amazon. I sold leather bags and I did very, very well. Then all of a sudden Amazon decided to change their business model. And guess what I had to do? I had to figure out how to change my business model, cost me more money, and then everything that I put into it for the last 2 years was virtually gone. So what I'm trying to say here, guys, is that you got to find a way to build your own legacy, build your own business online, so that you can make money every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, so that you turn your money and so you're making your money work for you instead of you working for your money. Does that make sense? So you got to put yourself in the right mindset because a business online, it takes a little bit of effort. It takes work. It takes planning. You got to have a strategy. You got to have a plan. And then you need to have your home online, just like Jason Gerald is right here. You're seeing, you got to have your own home. And when you build your own home, then you can connect and utilize Amazon as your fulfillment engine. And you can use other products and services that you can sell. Because there's really only two ways to make money online. Number one, you got to sell a product or you got to sell a service. Those are the only two ways. Now, you don't have to have your own product or have your own service. You can sell somebody else's product or somebody else's service, just like a salesperson, right? Except for it's all online. You don't have to go to door-to-door selling anymore. All you have to do is promote a product or service and you can make a commission. It's called affiliate marketing. And you can make millions and millions of dollars. You can make $1,000 a day. Pretty easy. However, you got to learn how to set up and build your own empire, and then utilizing those services, other people's services, and your services, or maybe your own products that you're going to design and build, and start making money online so that you can make money every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Quit that 9 to 5 job, waiting in traffic, wasting 2 hours a day, commuting back and forth to work when you can build your own business. If any of this makes sense to you, make sure you go ahead and message me. There's a Facebook Messenger down below here. Go ahead and message me. Let's sit down and let's spend about 15, maybe 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. We'll sit down together and we'll talk about where you want to go online and how you do it and how do you get set up. Okay? Because if you try to go to some place that's free, guess what? Free is free. How do you make money on free? You can't. There is nothing online that is free. And I get to you may be able to log into some place that's free and get some information. As a matter of fact, if you want to get real information that's free, go to YouTube. It's free all over the place. You're going to find old information that doesn't work, and you're going to find new information that does work. It's hard to figure out what is working, what is not working. So go ahead and message me. Let's talk. Let's sit down and spend 15, 20 minutes and let's talk about where you want to go with your future. Because my services, my business, is to teach people how to make money online. And that's what I do for a living. And if you can look below here, you'll see my services. I have hosting services. I do solo ads, meaning that if you need traffic, I can give you 1,000 leads or 100 leads to 5,000 leads in a day. Because without traffic, you can't make money, right? So, guys, if this makes sense to you, I got one more thing to say before I close. If you had a business and in your hometown, let's say you own Walmart, who are your customers, right? Your customers are the people 50 to 100 miles around that particular store. That's it. You might get 1,000 to 2,000 customers a day, and a percentage of those will buy. But when you have a business online, when you have a business on the internet, who's your customer? Your customer is the world. So it's completely different than having a physical store now, because your physical store is your home online. And that home right there teaches people or has products and services that people want. Now you just got to go figure out how do they find you. And that's where I come in. That's how I can help you. It's called SEO, some of it. Other ones is connecting through social marketing. If any of this makes sense and you want to learn how to build business and how to make money online, make sure you go ahead and message me. Let's spend about 10 or 15 minutes together and let's see if this is a good fit for you. All right, guys. Have a great day. Go out and create multiple streams of income. All right. Bye, guys.